Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. Now, I know what you're thinking. A garden? But I haven't got the space. Well, fret no more, my friends. In this video, we're diving into the wonderful world of soilless gardening. That's right, you don't need a big backyard or even any soil to grow your own delicious veggies and stunning flowers. We're going to explore 4 amazing methods: hydroponics, aquaponics, aeroponics, and vertical gardening. Get ready to have your mind blown and your green thumbs itching. First up, let's dive into hydroponics. Imagine this: plants thriving in a nutrient-rich water solution, no soil in sight. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants using mineral nutrient solutions in water without soil. This technique allows plants to grow faster and healthier because they get all the nutrients they need directly from the water. That's hydroponics in a nutshell. It's a fascinating way to cultivate plants, and it's been around for centuries, dating back to the hanging gardens of Babylon and the floating gardens of the Aztecs. It sounds complicated, but I promise it's not as intimidating as it sounds. With a bit of knowledge and the right tools, anyone can set up a hydroponic system at home. Basically, you're giving your plants exactly what they need, directly through their roots. This method ensures that plants receive a balanced diet of nutrients, which can be adjusted to suit their specific needs. It's like giving your greens a super-powered smoothie, 24/7. The constant supply of nutrients and water means that plants can grow up to 50% faster than those grown in soil. One of the coolest things about hydroponics is how efficient it is. It uses up to 90% less water than traditional soil gardening because the water is recirculated and reused. Since you're delivering nutrients straight to the roots, plants tend to grow faster and bigger compared to traditional soil gardening. This means you can enjoy a more bountiful harvest in less time. Plus, you can say goodbye to common soil-borne pests and diseases. Result: this leads to healthier plants and reduces the need for pesticides. Now, let's talk about setting up your own hydroponic system. It might seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll be up and running in no time. Don't worry, you don't need to be an engineer to get started. There are many beginner-friendly systems available that are easy to assemble and maintain. For beginners, a simple wick system is a great place to start. It's one of the most straightforward hydroponic systems and requires minimal materials. Imagine a container with your plant nestled in a growing medium like coco coir or perlite. These mediums provide support and help retain moisture. A wick draws up the nutrient solution from a reservoir below, keeping your plant happy and hydrated. This passive system is perfect for small-scale gardening. It's low maintenance, affordable, and perfect for dipping your toes into the world of hydroponics. Once you get the hang of it, you can explore more advanced systems and grow a wider variety of plants. Next up, we're diving into the fascinating world of aquaponics. This innovative method combines aquaculture, which is raising fish, with hydroponics, the method of growing plants without soil. It's a brilliant fusion that creates a symbiotic environment where both fish and plants thrive together. This method is like something straight out of a science fiction novel. It's all about creating a self-sustaining ecosystem where fish and plants live in perfect harmony. Imagine a world where your garden is not just a place for plants, but also a habitat for fish, all working together to create a balanced environment. Picture this: you've got a tank of happy fish swimming about. These fish are not just for show, they play a crucial role in the system. Their waste, which is usually a pain to deal with, is actually liquid gold in the aquaponics world. This waste is rich in nutrients that plants need to grow. Beneficial bacteria break down the fish waste into nitrates, essential nutrients that plants crave. These bacteria are the unsung heroes, converting ammonia from the fish waste into nitrates that plants can easily absorb. This nutrient-rich water is then pumped up to the plants, and voila! The plants get a constant supply of nutrients, which helps them grow faster and healthier. The plants gobble up the good stuff, naturally cleaning the water for the fish. This creates a continuous cycle of nourishment and purification. It's a win-win situation for everyone. The fish get clean water, and the plants get the nutrients they need to flourish. Setting up a basic aquaponics system is easier than you might think. With a few key components, you can create your own mini ecosystem. You'll need a fish tank, a grow bed for your plants, a water pump to circulate the water, and of course, some happy fish. The setup can be as simple or as complex as you want it to be. You can start small with a tabletop system or go big with a backyard setup. The flexibility of aquaponics means it can fit into any space, big or small. It's a fantastic way to grow your own food and have a little ecosystem right in your own home. Not only does it provide fresh produce, but it also offers a unique and educational experience for the whole family. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get seriously futuristic. Aeroponics takes soilless gardening to a whole new level by growing plants suspended in the air. No soil, no aggregates, just pure plant power. Imagine walking into a garden where plants are floating mid-air, their roots dangling freely and thriving like never before. Here's how it works. Plant roots are misted with a nutrient-rich solution at regular intervals. This misting process ensures that the plants receive all the essential minerals and nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. This mist provides everything the plants need to thrive, and because the roots are exposed to plenty of oxygen, they grow super fast. The combination of nutrients and oxygen creates an optimal environment for rapid growth and robust health. It's like giving your plants a spa day every single day. Imagine the roots getting a refreshing mist bath, keeping them hydrated and nourished around the clock. Aeroponics might sound like something out of a sci-fi film, but it's becoming increasingly popular for home gardeners. More and more people are discovering the benefits of this innovative gardening method. You can find ready-made aeroponic systems online or even have a go at building your own. There are plenty of resources and kits available to help you get started on your aeroponic journey. It's a fantastic option if you're short on space or want to impress your friends with your next-level gardening skills. Whether you live in an apartment or have a small backyard, aeroponics can fit into your lifestyle and make you the envy of your neighborhood. Last but not least, let's talk about vertical gardening. This method is perfect for anyone short on space, but big on gardening dreams. Imagine transforming a blank wall or fence into a vibrant, edible work of art. Vertical gardening is all about making the most of vertical space. Think hanging planters, stacked pots, living walls. The possibilities are endless. You can grow pretty much anything vertically, from herbs and veggies to cascading flowers. One of the best things about vertical gardening is how easy it is to get started. You can repurpose old pallets, gutters, shoe organizers, you name it. Just add some drainage holes, fill them with your chosen growing medium, and you're good to go. It's a fantastic way to add some greenery to small balconies, patios, or even indoors. So there you have it. 4 incredible ways to grow your own food and enjoy the wonders of gardening, even without a traditional garden plot. Whether you're drawn to the high-tech world of hydroponics or the simplicity of vertical gardening, there's a soilless method out there for everyone. I hope this video has inspired you to give soilless gardening a try. It's a fun, rewarding, and sustainable way to connect with nature and grow your own delicious food. Tell us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe for more gardening adventures. Happy growing!